busy, but not moving forward, and still not successful. You work all day, you check everything, you stay productive. You're doing too much, but deep down, you know nothing really changed. What if the problem is not laziness? What if you're just doing too many things? We've been taught to multitask, to do more to become more, to balance everything, work, life, goals, growth, all at the same time. But here's the truth, when everything feels important, nothing actually is. You start many things, but finish nothing meaningful. You move, but you don't progress. That's exactly why we feel stuck. Success doesn't come from doing more, it comes from doing less, but better. In the book The One Thing by Gary Keller, there's a simple idea that can completely change the way you work, and the way you succeed. Success doesn't come from doing more, it comes from doing less. But better, extraordinary results come from focusing on one thing. There's one question that can cut through all the noise. What's the one thing I can do, such that by doing it, everything else becomes easier, or unnecessary? One question, one focus. This is how clarity begins, because most of the time, you're not confused, you're just overwhelmed by too many options. In fact, this question forces clarity, it cuts noise, it shows you what actually matters. Success is not about doing everything at once, it's sequential, step by step. Like dominoes. When you knock down the right first domino, the rest becomes easier. One focused action today creates momentum for tomorrow, and that momentum creates results. But there are lies that destroy your focus and keep you stuck. 1. Multitasking. It feels productive, but it's just fast switching, again and again. 2. Balance. It sounds good, but success requires imbalance, focusing on what matters most, right now. Balance is not equal time, it's priority. 3. Willpower. You think you need more of it, but willpower runs out, and the biggest lie. 3. That everything is important. It's not, very few things matter, but those few things change everything. So what should you do? 1. Time blocking. Start simple, choose your one thing, then protect it, block time for it, no distractions, no notifications, no excuses. 2. Build habit. Discipline is temporary, habits make success automatic, focus on it, until it's done, not perfect, just done. 3. Start small. You don't need a perfect plan, you need one clear action, and repeat this, every day, because success is not a big moment, it's a small action. Just one step, done consistently. Think about your life. How many times did you try to do everything and ended up doing nothing that truly matters? You don't need more time, you don't need more motivation, you don't need a perfect plan, you need focus. Right now, ask yourself, what's my one thing? Not 10 things, not 5, just one, and do it. Not tomorrow, not later, do it now, start small, start messy, but start, because one step leads to the next, and suddenly, everything changes.